Is your classic Mercedes differential looking greasy or wet? The problem could be a stuck differential breather valve. When the breather seizes, pressure builds up as the oil heats up, and the air has nowhere to go but out through the rubber seals, taking the gear oil with it. If you own a Mercedes Benz passenger car produced from the late 1960s through the late 1990s, your vehicle differential is most likely equipped with this specific breather valve. This breather valve is usually located on the top rear end of the differential. Looking up from behind the differential, it can be spotted. If the cap isn't moving or slightly rattling, it is almost certain that oily vapors combined with dust caused the cap to seize over time. Spraying around the cap with a bit of blaster, turning it slightly with the pliers and cleaning the residue with clean rag seem to do the trick. The up and down movement of the breather valve's floating cap is very minimal, but it does rotate around, and by gently turning it back and forth we were able to loosen it. We apologize for a limited video visibility, but the valve is in really tight space with almost no room for camera to record. Here is the satisfying rattle of the cap after cleaning it up.